Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is one of those quick, really quick. Not that I'm pressed for time or anything. I just really don't feel like doing makeup today. So I'm gonna take my glue primer and I think I'm gonna take Poreless Me. Like, why did I have to think about it? Y'all knew what it was gonna be. Am I in focus, y'all? Yeah, there it is. I think I'm gonna just do a little spot concealer, or maybe, I don't know. I got time. I just not in the makeup mood this morning. But we gotta go to work. We gotta look a little bit put together. Do you guys wear makeup every day to work? Or is it just like lip gloss and eyebrows and out the door? We've been so busy at work lately. I don't know if everyone's trying to get everything in before the holiday. But we've been extremely busy. And I barely have time to even look up from the computer. That's how busy we have been. So I'm going to take this Belly Epic paint pot from MAC and we're going to color correct. I used this I think when I went to church on Sunday, I used this to color correct and it did really good. So I don't need that much. I think on Sunday I took a whole lot. You don't need that much on this brush. Just under the eye where I got a little discoloration and around the mouth. Yeah, I really love the way it had my makeup looking. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the lid also. I got some darkness on the lid. If you're dark like me, this is gonna not make your foundation or your concealer look gray. But I'm always weary because I always think that this is going to turn my foundations orange. And y'all know I don't like red or orange foundations at all. So I'm always weary, but that doesn't move. Let me take some of this Laneige lip stuff. Y'all, I wonder if it's on my desk. Probably not. Oh, yeah. I wore this yesterday. The new Ruby Kisses lip vinyl tint. And when I say this stayed on for the entire day, like, of course, it was like stained and a little bit, it wasn't as vibrant as when I first applied it, but it was on there. It gave me a touch of color throughout the whole day. And of course, I ate lunch and breakfast and all of that. So those are really good. Okay. I'm going to set this a little bit with some RCMA. No color powder. I'm put a little bit of powder on the eyebrows. My eyebrows get oily. Like, that'll be the only thing on my face oily is my eyebrows. I'm going to take Benefits Precisely My Brow in 5. Brush it up. And that's what we're going to do the brows with this morning. Wipe off my mirror because I can't see anything. So dirty. If I splurge on an eyebrow pencil, this is the only one. And I usually just wait until Ulta 21 Days of Beauty and stock up. I buy as much as they allow. And then I have them until the next sale. But this is the only brow product that I will like splurge on. Other than that, it's my beauty supply store for the win. And the powder kind of just makes it not tacky, but makes it less slippery. So I feel like sometimes I could just get my eyebrows to be way over here, way up there. They be moving all over the place. And then I'll take my Physicians Formula dark brown eyeliner marker from Amazon and further emphasize my tail and just trying to make it not exact, but I don't know the word. Yeah, good enough. All right. What we gonna do for foundation today? Found out I said I was just doing concealer, but foundation need to be as easy as it can be. Okay. Easy as it can be. Let's see, y'all. I'm digging in my makeup bag, of course. And what I want, I can't never find because that would be too easy. I'm going to take the Sephora Best Skin Ever 50N as my foundation. And I'm just spotting where I think I got some discoloration. As you can see, I didn't get on the side of my face. We're just going to blend whatever's on the brush over there. Because we want real light coverage today. And this is how I clean up the top of my brow, usually with the brush, with the foundation or concealer, whatever I'm using. I hardly ever clean up with a concealer, the top of my brush, my brows. So we got enough, I think. Yep. Then I'm going to take the Sephora gel and cream caramel serum concealer as a highlight. I'm going to take this LA Girl Break Free. I'm going to take this shade, put it in the crease, and probably like a light shade on the lid. Something. Those are my go-to quick type looks. A brown in the crease, a light shade in the middle on the lid. It just opens up my eye. Well, let's see how that goes, because I just remembered I didn't put no base down. I color corrected, but that's about it. Let me see. I'm going to take this nude shade, kind of like skin tone light. Not too light. Let me get my sponge. See something. Okay, good enough. This one is something really natural. Mm-hmm. Hold off on that blending and then blend this out. And give me highlight. Give me highlight. Sometimes all you be wanting is a little bit of highlight and you'll be good to go. Take a brush, clean brush, and clean up the edges. These edges be getting me every single time. Hmm. Then we're going to take a little bit of our CoverGirl powder and golden caramel. No, my bad. Maybelline, y'all. And kind of just dab, dab, dab. Dab it on there. Okay. I know I saw that bronzer the other day, but I don't know where it is now. My juvia'splace bronzer. Bless me, Lord. All right. No lashes today. I'll just take my Almond Beauty mascara. Put that on. And I have time, y'all. I'm not rushing or anything. I just don't feel like doing makeup. It's a lazy day. I'm ready for the weekend. Y'all know I'm ready for Friday. Try to coat it really good so it can look kind of something. So it can look like I did something. Y'all see? Yeah. All right. Let me find a lip combo. I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses brown liquid lipstick. By now, you should have seen my swatch video. It's in the shade Brave to line the lips with. And it said it's matte, but y'all, this right here doesn't feel matte at all. Like I had on the red shade yesterday, and it was so comfortable to put on all day. Like it didn't, my lips didn't feel dry and feeling like they were going to stick together. So y'all know we're going to let that sit before I put something in the middle. I always have to remember not to rub my lips together, because when you do that, sit it right there, it just get everywhere. So I mean, like all over the lip, and I don't want it all over the lip. I just want it on as a lip liner. Lip liner. Drop this here. Make sure don't have no creases or nothing. Y'all, I think we got a quick lazy day makeup. Cause that's it. All we gotta do is spray our face and put the middle in, and we're done. Yeah, okay, let me go get dressed. Okay, let's take brown sugar, ruby kisses, and let's put that in the middle. Her lip combos always be the same. Let it sit for a minute. Spray the face. And they had the microphone taped to me. I use brown sugar, ruby kisses. Feels so good. I should have put like an orange. What I'm thinking, since my shirt kind of orange. I should have did an orange, but I didn't. I think this goes with the eye. We'll let the face kind of dry down and try not to add any more makeup. No, I was looking at this Dose of Color pigment. I was like, oh, maybe I should put some of that on. No, Nana, keep it simple. You already don't have it on lashes. I'm gonna keep it simple. And I was looking for something to fan with. My fan, the battery died down in my little fan, so I don't have that. That's crazy. I would normally have something to fan with. And this just lets your makeup just dry down. You don't want your makeup to move once you put the setting spray on there. You know what I mean? And then take a sponge. Make sure everything is on there. Especially underneath the eye. And this is our lazy day makeup, y'all. Lazy day. I can get out the door. I feel like my face is not naked. Feel like I feel a little put together. That's the goal. That was the goal this morning. All right, that's it. I got enough time to try to fix this wig a little bit more. Cause I feel like my hair right here is underneath it. I can't flatten it. I don't know. And fix my lunch and stuff and get out the door. And this is an old wig. I probably had this wig for like 6 or 7 years. That's how old this wig is. I done cut it. I done changed the part. I done did everything to this wig. I can't even tell y'all where I got it from. Probably like where you used to order off AliExpress. Do people still order off AliExpress? Yeah, back then. I done chopped the ends. I done did everything. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. If you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up. Give my thumbs because it helps my channel out a whole lot. Oh, y'all can see it real good on this lens. I changed my camera lens out. And because it helps my channel a lot when you give me a thumbs up, it kind of like pushes my video out there, which I really need. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace out. Bye, y'all.